Alright, today we're going to review our three-dimensional figures where we're trying to find the same thing, the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We did some of this in with 3D dimensions in our 9.1, and a lot of you guys had trouble with it. So I gave you some homework the other night, and I'm going to give you another little thing to help you. Alright, now, when we're trying to find, we have a line going from the top corner down to this bottom corner in a box. So it's going to be off for a little bit. Okay. We want to find the how long that line is. A lot of you wanted to use these two numbers, but we can't. I grabbed a box and a piece of paper out of nowheres. All right. Now, this is this figure. This is the box, right? Right here's 6. Right here's 4. So now we have this centerpiece right here, right? And we want to find, maybe go like this so you can see it. If we had a triangle going down to this corner from the top of this corner, we need this base of this triangle that we're trying to find right here. Okay? We can't use this and this. So we have to find the bottom of this base. Okay? I don't know if that helped. So here's our piece right here we're trying to find. And here's our line. If I pulled it out, it would look like this. That's this piece right here in the middle. We're trying to find the diagonal from the top corner to the bottom corner. Okay? We have this, which is 3. We already got the height. We already got 3. Alright, for this rectangle. So we need 3 of them. 3 would be the A. So now, and we're looking for the C, the hypotenuse, right here. So we need to find the B, which is this piece right here. To find that piece, we got to use this triangle right here. This piece right here. Because this is a rectangle, or it'll have 90-degree angles. So we can use this to find the hypotenuse. This is going to be our new hypotenuse right here. So we need 4 and 6. So we just plug it in. 4, small side. So now we have 42 as our c squared. Equals our c squared. So now we have to find this. We have to do the rest of the math to find our bottom. Okay, that's our hypotenuse. So now our c is going to be 6.5, our new hypotenuse. So this piece right here we're looking for is now 6.5, 6.5. Alright? So now we got our base, our B, we got our A. All we have to do is plug it back in again. So all we're going to do is add those up. So now our C equals 7.1. Alright, it looks complicated, but you just gotta look at the 3D figure and figure out where all the pieces fit in. Alright? Alright, now we have a pyramid, and we're trying to find I think I put too much information in that one. Alright, we're trying to find what our height of this piece is right here. This is our altitude. Okay. Every side of this triangle is 50 centimeters. Okay? So we're going to use our Pythagorean theorem again to help find this. However, first, we don't have this, and we don't have this. Here, let me draw that out so we know what we're working with. Alright, that's the piece we're looking at, right here. All we know is the side is 50. Every side of this triangle is 50. So we know this is 50. So we need, and we're looking for this. And remember, this is the height, the 90-degree angle now. Don't get confused. A lot of you are getting that confused. Don't get that confused. Okay? This is a hypotenuse, so it's C. Alright? So now we need this piece. However, we don't have that yet. So, we have our 50, because we get the bottom of the box, the base of the pyramid. This is 50, and this is 50. So, what do? We just plug it in. So now we got 500 equals C squared. Okay? So now, C equals 22.4. Almost made a boo. Now, from this side to this side is 22.4. However, we only want half of that, because this is going to be our height, our altitude, and that always falls in the center. If we were dangling on the string, it would fall right in the very center. So we only need half of this for the bottom part. So that's going to be 11.2. All we need is half. All right? Because the picture shows it right there. We only need half of it. All right. So now we got that's our 90-degree angle. Look across from it. A lot of you guys are not doing that. Always look across. So now our C squared. Let me know that. Erase all that so you don't get mixed up. Our C squared is 11.2 equals A is 50 plus B squared. Does it matter where A and B is? No. They can be anywhere you want. But people like to do the smaller of the two being A. Only one that really important is a 90-degree angle is across. It's a hypotenuse, and it's always C. Oop. Let's bring that back down. Okay. I did a boo-boo somewhere. Oh, that's where I did my boo-boo. Why didn't you tell me that? All right. Let's go back to the beginning. We need a bottom base, right? So it's 50 and 50. So it's 50 squared plus 50 squared equals C squared. It's not 250, it's 2,500. That's where I made my mistake. All right, make sure you tell me when I make mistakes. All righty. $70.7 equals C. All right, now we need half of that again, right? So half of that is 35.4. Okay, now let's see if this works out. Okay? So now we're going to do the same thing. Across from the 90 is a 50. That's our C. And our littler one is is 1,250. Now we subtract that from our, because this is positive, opposite is a negative, so we add a negative too. Excuse me. So now we know what this section is. Any questions on that? 35.4. All right, next time tell me when I make a mistake. Okay?